Hi lovelies, Michelle here. So I'm going to be showing you how to make your delicious okra soup. Very easy recipe, less than 2 minutes and your okra soup is done. So come with me. So to make this soup, I'm going to be using red oil, seasoning cube, any protein of your choice. I'm using fish, then my mixed pepper. I just blended it roughly, then my okra. So this is just what I'm going to be using to make this okra. In less than 2 minutes will be done. So first thing, you put your red oil in a hot pot. You allow it to steam for a bit, and then you go in with your pepper mix, which is your pepper and your onion. Some people use tomato to cook. If you want to add tomato, you can do that. Then you go in with your fish or protein of your choice, any protein of your choice. You go in with it, you fry everything together, you make sure that everything aligns together. That's why I fry mine. Then next you go in with your seasoning cube. I'm using Knorr cube. You can add salt if you wish. I don't cook with salt, that's why I'm not adding salt. You mix everything together and allow to boil for a while. You add in a little bit of water, not too much, because you want your okra to be thick. But if you want your okra soup to be watery, you can add more water. So I'm just adding a little water, allow to boil so that it's together. So you allow it to cook. It cooked to my satisfaction. Next you go in with your okra. You add in your okra and then you mix it to be sure that the sauce is evenly distributed. You mix it very well. If it's too thick, you add a little bit of water, but if you want it very thick, you can just allow it to steam for a while. As for me, I'm going to be adding a little bit of water, just a little bit of water, because it was actually too thick. So it depends on what you want. If you want it watery, you can add more water, but this is how I want mine. And then I allowed it to cook just for 1 minute, and here the food is ready. You can eat with any swallow of your choice. I'm using eba. You can eat with pounded yam, any swallow of your choice. Let me know if you're trying out this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.